everyone, welcome back to Measuremix, or if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a summer nautical seashell wreath for you, and I have a ton of seashells that I need to use up because I got them on vacation last year in Florida, and I'm going to be going on vacation again soon, so I'll probably be getting more seashells. So I need to figure out something to do with them. So I came up with this wreath idea, so I hope you enjoy it. Stick around.
So I started off by taking a piece of my rope and hot gluing it to the back of the wreath form. And then I just took my rope and I wrapped it around the wreath form. I found that it was easier to do this with a smaller section of rope, so I didn't use the whole thing of rope at first. And then I just wrapped it till I got to the end, and once I got to the end, I hot glued the piece to the wreath form and the other pieces of rope so it would stay. And then I just cut another piece of rope, and again I hot glued that down into the other rope, and then just kept wrapping it around until I got to the end of the wreath. So once I got to the end of the wreath with my rope, I had enough extra to where it doesn't come out perfectly even when you wrap it. So I had to use the extra rope and wrap it around a different way and hot glue it, you can see here. So that way it kind of added an extra dimension and it looked a little more nautical this way. And I wish I would have had like maybe a starfish or something to put on that part. I think it would have kind of just amped it up a little bit, but I didn't. So I just had my seashells, and that is what I'm doing here, just picking out the seashells that I like and hot gluing them down how I like them. I didn't have a pattern or anything. I just kind of picked out what I liked and then glued it down, and that was it.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this summer wreath that I did for you today, and I hope that it inspired you to make your own wreath with some seashells that you bring back from vacation this year. Let me know down in the comments below what else you guys have done with your seashells from vacation. I still have a ton left, so I probably will be doing more projects with seashells sometime soon. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.